No. It's okay, Leonard. It's only me. Not scary clown from dreams. Good clown. Okay.
Good clown. Got it.
Yeah, every time. Inside every one of us lives unique, curious, sensitive creature called clown that helps reveal our vulnerabilities. So, I need a volunteer. Anyone at all? Anyone? You, little guy with funny face.
Me? I'm new. Maybe I should...
Come, sit. Oh, you are a natural. You just demonstrate first rule of clown. Allow yourself to be vulnerable. Sit back. Okay. Let's try something a little more advanced. Pratfall may look simple, but it involves a great deal of skill. Allow me to demonstrate. Now, you all try, but remember, don't actually sleep on Banana or Miss Jessop will kill me with her bare, elegant hands. Okay. Noah, remember, there is no banana. Okay, Chloe. Leonard. Oh, what a platform! Sam. You want to impress new friends? Let go of fear and make them laugh.
So I says to him, oh,
It's a lot of blood for a little guy.